Ranking dogs. Let's see what we get. That is so cute. I'm about to cry already. These dogs. These are so cute. These are so cute. Oh, why are you mad at me? Like, I adopted you. You should be happy with me. Oh, no. Again, why you look so mad at me? That's not the cutest thing I've ever seen. What the heck? We could dance together, but... No, do not give me that dog. That should be a number one. Oh, that's so cute. Comment down below, dog was your favorite.